Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the orb of the deep bobber in Fish It. So the orb of the deep is one of the most sought after bobber skins in the game. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can add this glowing relic to your collections. So here I've already had the orb of the deep bobber and I already equip it. So this is how it look like. And for you who want to get this, you just need to be on the game or online while the admin event is on. So I got it from the last update in the underwater city. So I online on the admin events where there is a 200,000 luck. So once the event is finished, you'll automatically get the bobber skin. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.